Need an easy dinner idea that everyone will love for about $1.33 a person? Delicious, flavorful, super easy sausage jambalaya using only shelf-stable ingredients. No thawing and no dicing vegetables. Feed a family of 5 for less than $7. That's less than a frozen pizza. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. Sausage jambalaya is a family favorite, and I love it because it's so easy and so flavorful. I'm making this dish to feed 5, but check out my recipes on loadedpotato.org and you can get the recipe to feed anywhere from 5 to 20 people. And check out the auto grocery calculator if you want to have this meal on hand ready to go in the pantry. It will calculate exactly the groceries you need to feed this and any other loaded potato meal for one meal for 5 people or 20 people every night for 10 years. Pick your meals and we do all the calculating, even add it to the cart right from our site, all free. Anyways, I'm hungry. Let's get started on this delicious sausage jambalaya. In a large pot on the stove over medium-high heat, we're gonna combine 1 cup of rice with 4 cups of water total, a half a cup of dehydrated dried onions, a 1/4 cup dehydrated celery, and a 1/4 cup dehydrated bell peppers. Now we're gonna cook this on medium-high heat. Stir everything all together. Now we're just gonna let this come to a boil. So now while that's heating up, we're gonna cut up our summer sausage. This is 16 ounces and we're only gonna need 8 ounces to serve 5 people. So we're just gonna cut it in half. Put half of it aside just for later. I'm gonna take the plastics off, take the brown lining off, just give it a good slit. Until you're left with 8 ounces of sausage looking like this. Now we're gonna slice it into about 1/4 inch slices with our cheese knife. And then we're gonna take these slices and then we're gonna cut them into quarters. Cut it in half and then in half again. So you have a nice little circle cut in quarters. So we're gonna do that to all of our slices. Now, once your rice starts boiling, give it a good stir and we're just gonna let it sit here and boil for about 10 minutes. Now, while that's boiling, in another pan over medium-low, we're gonna combine a tablespoon of olive oil, measure if you want, and we're gonna start to sear our sausages. Make sure they're all broken up. Okay, once your sausage is nice and seared, we can turn it on down to low simmer. And now we're gonna add 1 can of diced tomatoes. So we don't want to drain these diced tomatoes, just pour it in with all the water and everything that's in there right into the sausages. Smells so good. That burner has a better simmer. As the rice is boiling, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. Stir that in all together. Now we're gonna add our seasonings to our sausage tomato mixture. We're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of Creole seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne. Now we're just gonna stir all the seasonings together and let this simmer. Okay, once your rice has come to a boil, we're gonna turn off the heat completely. We're gonna grab our lid, give it a nice last stir, spread it all out, and we're gonna let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes to let the water be absorbed by all the rice. So we're just gonna let it sit and wait about 20 minutes till all the rice is cooked. Once your rice has been sitting here absorbing all the water and finishing cooking for about 30 minutes, it should be nice and fluffy and ready to go. Now all we have to do is combine the sausage and tomato into our rice mix. Let's take 1 pan and pour it right into the other. Now we just gotta stir it all together. Smells so good. So now the only thing left to do is serve it up. Dish it onto a plate, top with some green onions and some hot sauce if you like it. Now the only thing left to do is dig in and enjoy. Oh man, oh that's so good. It's so good. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to add hot sauce to your jambalaya or not. I'm not a big fan, but I know lots of people are. Either way, so delicious. And follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients. And check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time.